Good morning from Busch Gardens, Tampa. Well, I mean, it's kind of like a gray morning, more like, but
still be a good morning.
Yes. So we're here today for mainly more like a half day, because like the weather's not looking the best. However, we do have like one goal to do today, because since we last came here, the Sky Ride has reopened. And I'm really looking forward to that, because we haven't done like 4 years, I think.
It's been a long time. I can't remember the last time. Yeah.
It's crazy. So we're gonna be doing that today. We'll also try to do as much as we can with the short time we have. And we're gonna have a good day.
Yes, we are.
All right, park is now open. Starting off with a ride on Iron Gwazi. Oh my gosh! Oh! So good.
It was like the perfect speed. I loved it.
But I feel like I got more hang time on that stall that time.
It was good. It was real good.
All right, we just got off the front row on Iron Gwazi.
Yes.
Phenomenal as always.
It was great.
I'm passing by the birds right now.
Yes, the lorikeets are distracting me.
And you know, normally we would go over to Egypt to do like cheetah hunt, monks, that kind of thing. We're actually going towards Stanleyville to do Shikra, because the last time we came it was closed.
Yeah.
And it'll be fun to do it again.
For maintenance.
Yeah. And then after we do Shikra, that'll put us right next to the Sky Ride.
I hope we get to ride the Sky Ride today.
I hope so.
It's not windy, so
it's
that's
not windy.
a really good sign.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Look forward to it. Are you retarded?
Oh yeah, here we go. There's no more. There's no more. That's a great seat, because if you're dangling, it looks like there's nothing underneath you.
All right, now we got off of Shikra to the front row again. Man, that ride just gets the best reactions out of people. We were with a fun group.
My favorite part was the guy who goes, "Is that Miami?" When he sees Tampa, I'm like,
I can see my house from up here.
No.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Yeah.
I mean, those two drops are like really good.
Yes, and our perspective was really good because you were on the far left, so you didn't see the track at all. Yes, it was really cool.
So we were, so we checked near the Sky Ride entrance. There were like these fences up around it. They were like temporary, so we think right now it's not open yet because they didn't have a sign saying it was closed for the day. So we were gonna do Kumba, but that doesn't open till 11. So we're gonna go into Pantopia and do a Falcon's Fury.
Yep, we sure are.
about to do Mom's favorite ride in the whole world.
Gosh, okay. Alright, I'm going to challenge myself to keep my eyes open as long as possible today.
Yeah, don't close your eyes, it makes it worse.
Oh, but
Because you can't see where you're going.
I can count
It's like
and pray.
it's like looking down on Shikra. It's just 100 feet taller.
Or I could just focus on you and then I don't get so scared. How about that?
Look at my pretty face as we go up.
It's like the vertigo gets real strong on this ride, and then I'm just like, oh my gosh. See, like right about now, even though this is not even that far up, I'm getting that panic. I'm feeling the panic right now. Oh, right about now. Oh.
I'm surprised you felt safer on the sky coaster.
I know. Isn't that crazy?
I know. I feel perfectly fine on this, but then when I do sky coaster, it's kind of freaky.
Yeah, I just try not to talk about it. Oh, okay, yeah, now I'm kind of panicking for real. Like, oh
It's
my
okay,
god.
go ahead.
Okay. I'm not gonna really like
Okay, fine.
have an anxiety attack, but it does make me go, oh crap. It's an oh crap. Oh crap. Oh, I got there goes my ass. There goes my ass.
Come on, open up! It's a cool view!
4, 5, 6, 7,
You're fine, Mom, you're fine!
I looked.
You looked.
Oh, that's the longest I've ever lasted.
Woo! You did it.
I did it. It's the longest I lasted this time. I did pretty good.
Oh man. Okay, so we've done quite a bit now. You know, we did Scorpion, Falcon's Fury, and then Kumba. Got a lot done that time. It just started drizzling, so I think this is where it started to have a few problems. In that time frame, we haven't seen any gondolas from the Sky Ride going yet. So we'll head over towards Cheetah Hunt, which is like right where the entrance, one of the other entrances to the Sky Ride are. And if there's someone there, maybe we'll find out from them. But by the looks of it, I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it today.
We tried.
We tried. Could just be.
It'll be there waiting for us when it's time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It could be because it's early. It could be like they just got open. Maybe they're having some problems.
They're anticipating rain all afternoon. They might not bother putting workers on it today.
That's true.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. At least we've been able to do the coasters though.
Oh yeah.
That's like the main reason we come here.
I would say if you're nearby and you just like want to ride roller coasters, come on a day like today.
Absolutely.
Because we got right on everything.
Just like in general,
front row, everything.
if there's like something bad happening with the weather, come during that time. Because like not a whole lot of people will be there. You'll be able to get a lot done in a shorter amount of time.
You'll be like done by noon, go get some lunch, and then go have the rest of your day.
Yeah. Good crowd. So we just kind of finished the whole right corner of the park. We did cheetah hunt, and we did Montu. It's pretty good. Cobra's Curse was like an hour wait, so we decided not to do that. But yeah, both the rides we have were really fun. Cheetah hunt, always fun, especially when you're in the front, you get a sense of speed, especially when you're going to like the rocks in the middle of the ride. And we had a really fun crowd on Montu.
Oh my gosh, they were so loud.
So funny.
Screaming with delight. That's great.
Yeah. So I got one quick queue left, so I'm gonna go use it to do Iron Gwazi again. And then we're gonna go over to Nairobi, kind of do Serengeti Flyer, as well as take around the train. Then we'll probably head out.
Yeah.
And I think we've done a lot more than like what we originally planned.
Oh, yeah.
Like I thought we were gonna be here for like only an hour or two, and like we've already done like practically everything.
Yeah, we were lucky. The rain held off pretty well.
It's held up. It's still holding up now.
Yeah.
Also, when we went to do cheetah hunt, we asked an employee about the sky ride, and they did confirm that was closed today.
Yeah. We'll come back.
We will be back, yeah. Well, I'm sure we'll have better luck next time.
I think so.
And then we can all do it. We can have that with us too.
Of course, on the right-hand side, giraffe. These are reticulated giraffe. They're actually one of the smaller of the giraffe species, but still a mature male adult. Can stand up to 18 feet tall, weigh more than a ton. A giraffe is actually one of the few animals can actually see in color. They have about a 360-degree field of vision, which means giraffe can see almost all the way around. That long neck, 7 vertebrae, same as you and I, but much larger. Giraffe also have special elastic valves in the veins in their necks. If a giraffe puts its head down low, get a bite to eat, drink of water. Those elastic valves help to control the blood flow to its head.
The random zebra there.
Some of you may have spotted a large tan animal behind the gate over on the right-hand side. The eland is the largest of the animal species. Meanwhile, the left-hand side, zebra. 2 zebra species here at Busch Gardens. This is the larger of the 2. This is a Grevy zebra. Grevy have very narrow stripes with a totally white underbelly. By the way, if any of those giraffes stick their tongue out at you, you may notice how long it is. Giraffe can have tongues up to 18 inches long. They use those long tongues to get at their favorite leaves of the acacia tree. Please remain seated. Please sit down on the train. Months ago. It's amazing, despite their large size, when they're up and running, how fast they can move. One stop and turn about 30-35 miles per hour. Back on the right-hand side, the zebra you see there is a grand zebra. Second of our two, the smaller of our two, much wider stripes than the zebra we just saw. These stripes go all the way around and under the zebra's belly. Never seen a photo of a zebra most likely indoors, grand zebra. The three animals with the little black curvy horns are wildebeest. Wildebeest also known as bearded dew. Near those trees and all those wooden logs, that's a water buck. Has a heart-shaped nose, a ring around his tail. Water bucks sound like they're aquatic. Actually, they are good swimmers.
There's all the sky ride gondolas that we will not be going in today.
That's okay. We can wait.
Yeah. And that will be something out of it. Here's some of the construction for Phoenix
Speaking of those
Rising.
wonderful ambassadors, coming up on our left-hand side is one of my personal favorite animal ambassadors and our first animal on our trip. Loretta, the Knuckle TC count, also known as
Some photos in there that haven't been on any track
African longhorn
yet.
has horns that can go anywhere from 4.5 to 5 feet in length.
I doubt it's
For the
gonna be
pure
ready
male,
by
these horns
spring.
go all the way up to 6 feet in length.
Like it shouldn't be
Now,
girls.
these horns might look mighty heavy, but
And that concludes our day here at Busch Gardens. It's been raining for a while now. We had a fun little ride on the train. The wait for Sangre Fire was a bit big, but we did see some animals beforehand. And yeah, we did a lot more than expected.
We were very pleased with our day.
Absolutely. We're both very tired, but we had a lot of fun. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time on Coaster Therapy. Bye.